We got a mod in progress here. It's the only one that's been modernized. This one's undergoing modernization. It's just a newer Otis mod. It's got the yes and no buttons. Voice is really quiet. Yeah, this one does not work. Got here just in time, so I can see. Okay, shut up. Oh, we're stopping on 4. We'll get off here. I gotta talk over the music. Oh my god. Oh yeah, these have the original cabs and everything. This is what the main hotel overs look like. Let's see how this one was. This one. Don't run well. Oh, the other two don't even serve the lower floors. See if we get that one right there. Yeah, these cabs are very nice. I like better than the modern ones. Ride quality is not the best. A little bit noisy. Alright, we'll send you up to 6 or something. Yeah, it's lit. Whoa. Shaft light. Oh yeah, I really gotta be able to see. Are they on separate control? Oh yeah, they are. I guess it worked. All right, here we go. This one runs a lot better, but it's a lot slower. Okay, we'll take it down to... Oh, you going down? Yeah, where are you going?
Casino.
Casino?
Yeah.
Stopping on 5. Well, the chimes are so weird. Yeah, this one looks a lot like the other one. And I guess the other one's undergoing modernization. But let's see if we can. Oh my, wow. See if I can get the downtime for you guys. Nope, it went away. Yeah, this one. They're all on separate controllers for no reason. Alright, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyrighted for the music. That's such a weird chime. Yeah. I try to get a chime for you guys. God damn it. What's up? Nope, it left. There you go, that's it.